Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Pisces, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Pisces, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. So today we have Ace of Pentacles, Temperance, and Seven of Wands. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone trying to be really flexible today. You are handling a lot of circumstances. Maybe you are facing competition from people around you, people who work with you, or maybe competing businesses. So you are working really hard trying to do things in the right way, and you are facing a lot of challenges. But whatever challenges you are facing today, Pisces, you are someone trying to adapt, trying to be really flexible today. And you are finding that balance no matter what. No matter what your circumstances are, whatever difficulties you are facing, you are able to balance. And today, whatever difficulties you are seeing today, Pisces, you have a lot of advantage. You are in a good position. Things will resolve very soon. And it may be true even in this relationship. Maybe all the misunderstanding or stressful circumstance, whatever it is happening, it is here for a reason. It is here for you to understand. It is here for you to help with a better understanding with this person. And circumstances are definitely changing for the better. There is some kind of an emotional growth, a spiritual growth in your life today. And you are really happy to be with this person, though it is quite a work to do. Any relationship is a work in progress. You need to pay attention to it, work on it each and every day, Pisces. So that is what is happening today in this connection, in this relationship. So we have one more card for your relationship. Five of Pentacles. So maybe you are facing a lot of difficulties, but you have that love, you have a level of understanding with this person. You have a deep bond, a deep understanding, something pulling you both together, something holding you both together. And the reason for this may be destiny. Destiny has brought this love and it's holding you both together in this connection. And you may feel a little sad or little what to say, anxious, but you are having a level of understanding with this person, and maybe even this person may feel that way. Whatever happens, they are not thinking of leaving you, and that is the level of understanding you both may have. So that is the energy with these cards. let's see what is the card for your career situation, Pisces. It's Queen of Cups in reverse. So, though you are a responsible person, devoted to your work, trying to do things the right way, you are seeing some difficulties. Something may go against your wishes. Some difficult circumstances may be there today in your life, in your career, and you need to be careful. You need to be really attentive today, Pisces, in your career situation. So that is the reading, that is the energy with these cards today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. Fork in the road. So maybe today you're making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person, maybe walking away? So what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person and this decision is based on truth. And you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be the, that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today this card is about facing the circumstance. So whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears, and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family, maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.